Hello bawb, gobeithio bod chi'n okay. I hope everyone's okay. Mae gen i dasg bach ffilmio i chi heddiw. I've got a short video task for you all. Bosib iawn bod chi gyd wedi bod yn gwylio lot mwy o dyledu yn yr arfer. Ella bod chi wedi bod yn gweld dogfennau natur, pethau fatha Planet Earth. It's possible that you've been watching more TV than usual during this time. So beth dyn ni'n ymwneud ydy creu rhyw fath o scene yn hynna'n. So yr unig beth sydd angen arnoch chi gwblhau'r tasg yma ydy rhyw fath o gamera sydd yn gwneud fideo. So eithaf mwy o ffôns neu tablets, neu os gynnach chi just fatha digital camera arferol efo setting fideo yna fo, fedrwch chi ddefnyddio hwnna hefyd. The only thing you'll need to do this task is a phone or a tablet that has a camera and will shoot video, or a regular camera that has a video setting on it. Mae'r setting video fel arfer I weld ar ôl gwasgu ar y camera neu chi weld video yna fo. The video setting is usually seen when you click on the camera and you'll see the video setting. Yr unig beth I gofio ydy ffilmio yn landscape, so dal eich camera ar ei ochr. Remember to shoot your film in landscape mode, so hold your camera on its side. So y cam cyntaf ydy ffendio unrhyw beth yn y tŷ neu yn yr ar. Bydd fod yn bwnc i'ch fideo chi, so bydd hwn fod yn wbath, geith fod yn ddeilan, clustog, lamp, wbath sgynnoch chi o gwmpas. Sy'n rhaid chi fel gormod am hwn, just dewiswch unrhyw beth. Find an object in the garden or inside the house that can be a subject. It can be anything, a leaf, a pillow, lamp, absolutely anything. Don't give too much thought into this, just pick anything. Yr ail gam ydy rhowch eich gwrthrych mewn unrhyw ofod o gwbl, so place that object in any space. Geith o fod yn rwla, gardd, llofft, tŷ gwydyr, cae, gegin, unrhyw le, okay? It can be anywhere, garden, bedroom, kitchen, anywhere. Fe rwan amser ffilmio, ond mae angen meddwl chydig bach cyn ei hyn. Mae angen just chydig bach o waith paratoi. It's now time to start filming, but we just need to do a little bit of preparation beforehand. Da ni am greu cyfres shots yn defnyddio technegau gwahanol sy'n cael ei defnyddio yn mwy na lai bob un ffilm da chi'n weld. We're going to film a series of shots using techniques that are used across most films that you see on TV or in cinema. So 3 shots da ni am ddefnyddio ydy, the 3 shots that we're going to use are un wide shot, the shots llydan, 2 medium shots, so shots canolig, a 3 close-up shots agos. So wide shot, medium shot a close-up. Pwrpas y wide shot ydy I roi cyd-destun reit yn y cychwyn. Hwn di beth cyntaf ydych chi'n weld. So the reason we use a wide shot is to show where we are. It's the first thing we see. Then the medium shot, shot canolig, I ddangos chydig mwy o fanylion am y lleoliad, to show a bit more detail about the location. A close-up shot agos yn dangos y manylion. So beth ydych gwrthrych chi, what is your object? So I ddechrau, so to start, ewch i'ch gofod, go to your space, a meddyliwch am eich wide shot. Think about your wide shot, okay? So you need to show the location. Chi angen dangos lle ydych chi. So pwyswch recordio, press record and hold that shot and hold the camera steady for 6 seconds, okay? So daliwch y camera yn llonydd a recordiwch am 6 eiliad. Okay, ewch ymlaen wedyn i'r shot canolig, ond meddyliwch chydig am hwn, ella bod chi'n eisiau dangos yn syth be ydych gwrthrych chi, ond dangos ella chydig bach fwy o fanylion am y lleoliad. Okay, so move on to your medium shot. But have a think about it. Maybe you don't want to give away what your object is quite yet, but you need to give a little bit more detail about where we are. And finally, ac yn olaf, a close-up. So ewch yn agos i'ch gwrthrych chi wan efo hwn, I bawb gael gweld yn iawn be ydi o, go in really close to your subject so we can all see what it is. And that's it. A dyna ni, So da chi wedi creu ffilm fer yn defnyddio 3 math o shots gwahanol yn fanna. So you've created a short film using 3 different shot style. So there are a few apps available. Mae yna apps ar gael lle fedrwch chi roi hein at ei gilydd. Ella bod nhw ar y phones and tablets chi'n barod. They could be on your tablets or phones already. Os ddim, mae yna ambell un ar gael am ddim. There are a few available free. So os da chi yn gallu cael un o'r apps ma, if you're able to get one of these apps, try and put these clips together, rhwch y clipiau efo'i gilydd, okay? So yn dechrau fo'r wide shot, wedyn y medium shot, wedyn y close-up. So starting with your wide shot, then your medium shot, then your close-up. So put them together in that order. So mi ddylsa bod ganddoch chi video 18 eiliad, so you should have an 18 seconds video consisting of those 3 shots. And then finally, try and put some music over it. Triwch rhoi cerddoriaeth drosto fo, achos cerddoriaeth yn fwy na unrhyw beth sydd yn newid teimlad eich ffilm chi. So music is often the one thing that changes the mood of a film quite dramatically. Chwaraewch o gwmpas efo cerddoriaeth gwahanol i wneud drosto fo. Play around with different styles of music. Ella fedrith un math gerddoriaeth wneud i'ch ffilm chi deimlo'n hapus, fedrith math arall wneud efo deimlo'n scary. Just triwch pethau gwahanol. One music style could make your film feel happy, while another could make it feel scary or whatever. So just play around with it. A dyna ni, that's it. So mwynhewch.